Colonial Girls' School. Borrowed images willed our skins pale, muffled our laughter, lowered our voices, let out our hems, dekinked our hair, denied our sex in gym tunics and bloomers, harnessed our voices to madrigals and genteel airs, yoked our minds to declensions in Latin and the language of Shakespeare, told us nothing about ourselves. There was nothing about us at all. How those pale northern eyes and aristocratic whispers once erased us. How our loudness, our laughter debased us. There was nothing left of ourselves, nothing about us at all. How those pale northern eyes and aristocratic whispers once erased us, how our loudness, our laughter debased us. There was nothing left of ourselves, nothing about us at all. Studying history, ancient and modern, kings and queens of England, steppes of Russia, wheat fields of Canada. There was nothing of our landscape there, nothing about us at all. Marcus Garvey turned twice in his grave. 38 was a beacon, a flame. They were talking of desegregation in Little Rock, Arkansas, Lumumba, and the Congo. To us, mumbo jumbo. We had read Vachel Lindsay's Vision of the Jungle, feeling nothing about ourselves. There was nothing about us at all. Months, years, a childhood memorized in Latin declensions. For our language, bad talking, detentions. Finding nothing about us there, nothing about us at all. So, friend of my childhood years, one day we'll talk about how the mirror broke, who kissed us awake, who let a Nancy from the bag. For isn't it strange how northern eyes in the brighter world before us now, pale